Today we are gonna do the hide and seek challenge. So Aaron's gonna be it. That's Maggie. Okay, now just ignore this ear thing. It can help me hear my stuff. Dude. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, guys, we're gonna go down the stairs. Do bubble gum, and the dish.
There it is. We're gonna play hide and seek, but I'm not actually gonna hurt him with this.
No, you can't.
I'm not actually gonna hurt you with it, okay?
No, don't be chasing people through the house with a pointy object. That's
Alright.
stupid and stupid and stupid. Like I said, don't.
How about with a gun? So is a gun okay?
No. No guns. Oh, or what to have a Nerf for, actually?
Oh wait.
No. Actually, we're gonna do a Nerf war.
Yeah, we just decided to do no.
Yeah, so let's get started with stuff.
Oh my head.
I'll put this over here so you
Make a
guys
montage.
can see us doing stuff.
Alright. Get some bullets. And that gun's kind of jammed. That gun's jammed, so it won't really work. How about you choose shotgun?
I need a shot, and can you give me that one?
Want the pistol?
Yeah.
Alright. I want a shot. Here, have a bullet. I'm gonna give you. Have a bullet. Okay. A bullet. Here you go.
Thank you.
Alright. Get some bullets. Also, we have like a little bullet box right here, so if you ever run out of ammo, you just run over here and refill. So, well, I don't really know.
I don't really know.
Alright. Alright.
Oh, wait.
Hold on. Should we like do a Western thing where you just take 10 steps back and go like, bam,
Oh.
bam? Well, then they can't see us have a Nerf battle.
How
Or
That's a security camera first.
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Here's my house.
Security camera thing?
Here's the house.
So, I think we should move.
Your dad will hide the camera so they can't see the camera because it's scared you are.
Alright. This is gonna be
No,
my
I have
base.
to hide it. I have to hide it actually.
Okay, go hide the camera somewhere. So we can't see.
I hid in the camera.
Alright, now we're gonna start. Alright, so what would be Maggie? We're gonna go start upstairs so the camera is.
No, I have to.
Okay.
your gun.
Yeah.
You can't use that gun anymore. Shot it.
I'm just gonna take the bullets out.
Yeah, you can take the bullets out.
Give me the gun. No. Ow.
You're dead.
How do you fly out?
No. I just need this anymore.
It's gonna kill.
I won the game.
Yeah.
You shoot Aaron?
Yep, I won.
Oh. Well, you're playing. You're getting shot.
It's a shooting game.
Hey. Okay, you guys got the powerful ones. Okay, yeah, you're fine. No, I was talking about the ones with the scope. That one, if you're into shooting games, is not allowed. That one hurts.
Yeah, it really does. Alright. So I'm gonna start there from you two are team.
Good.
Kyle, Maggie, you two are on the team. I'm gonna start upstairs. Alright.
You're gonna shoot him, Maggie. Get him. All right, Aaron, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We'll get him. We'll get him, Kyle. Attack.
Alright, guys. We're here.
Are you serious? Hi, pal.
Oh!
Are you okay? I got you.
I missed! I can't believe I freaking missed!
You have to do your aiming well.
Oh! Ow. Is that all? Is that it?
Yep.
You're lost.
I know I lost. I know I lost. I know I lost. All right, guys. I'm gonna hide this camera right here. There we go. All right. You should be able to see the whole entire room. Ah! All right, Maggie, go hide upstairs.
Okay.
All right. We gonna kill some peeps. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start.
This gun is pretty powerful and it hurts, so I'm not going to use it. He's coming.
Oh, I missed her. Oh, she dodged it. Crap.
Goodbye.
Okay.
Hi, Mom.
Yo.
Want to say hi to the? Want to say hi to our fans?
Okay.
Want to say hi?
Hi.
We're making a YouTube video. Yes, we are. Yeah, there you go.
Where's Maggie? Megan's upstairs. We're having a Nerf war right now. Alright. There's my gun. She's coming down. Oh, she did? Okay. I guess that's the end, right? Yep. I'm gonna go. Alright, it's time to do our outro.
And see.
Okay. Bye, guys. We hope you had a great day.
Dude, we're not ending it yet.
Oh, you're not editing it?
No, we're not.
Oh, crap. I recorded that, too. Edit this out. I can't edit this out. Crap.
Dude, who cares? I'm sorry, guys. He made a mistake.
I made a mistake. I made a bad boo-boo.
Okay, now we're gonna playing.
All right. We're playing one last game, and then we're gonna cut this off. Not cut it off. I have no idea. Also, guys, subscribe because this is our first ever video.
Oh yeah. Dude, don't end it.
I'm not gonna end it.
I just saw you. I'm trying to push the button.
I was pushing the unpause button.
I want to try that.
No, I'm gonna. Does that look like a real gun?
This is
All right, let's go. Mom, thank you. Gonna put this right here.
stop at the failure.
Blah. I'm not going to die. What's that smell?